Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to delete downloads in Netflix. Let's start. So you can actually, for those who doesn't know or not familiar with, in terms of downloading episodes or movies in Netflix, you can actually do that. And that's what I like about Netflix is that it's very user friendly, it's very practical. Like if you subscribe to it, guys, you don't really have to like you can actually watch Netflix offline. That's why there's an option for you to download movies and series where you can watch where you don't have any connection to the internet. So say if you have a long haul flight, there's an option for you to actually watch your downloaded series. And today I will show you how to delete downloads. Just for example, in my phone, I just want to make sure that I'm not going to be using so much space. So I will be, deleting them. So how to do that? So easy. If you check the most bottom of the screen and then the rightmost portion, you could see downloads, right? So if you click on that, if you tap, you could if you download a lot of episodes or movies, you could actually see the list here. And then if you see the right upper portion of the screen, that's like a pencil or a pen. Okay, if you actually click on that, guys, it would actually give you an option, or if you notice there's like a change, like it would swipe to the left and then there's like an X in there. Okay, so say for instance, if I would just want to only delete specific episode for download, so I can do that. So if you click on the pencil icon, just hit on X, and that's how you delete your download, guys. So if you want to delete all or the entire episode, you can do it from here. Click on that. It will give you like the X option, and then that's how you can pretty much clean your downloaded list. In case you forget how to do that, you could always go to Help Center and then just type in there how to delete downloads, and Netflix will lead you to the page where you can have the answers. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.